In this high-ticket affiliate marketing for beginners tutorial, we're going to look at what is high-ticket affiliate marketing, where do I find these products, how to promote these products, and how much can I make. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified of future updates, and let's get on with the video. So what is high-ticket affiliate marketing? I'm sure you've heard of it. Well, it's just where you get paid, say $500, $1,000, $2,000, maybe $5,000 per sale when you promote somebody else's product. Because with affiliate marketing, we're promoting somebody else's product or products, and when that sell, we get paid a commission. Now, traditionally, a lot of these high-ticket affiliate products will pay 40%, 50%, 60%, sometimes even up to 70%. And if a program or a product is selling for, $5,000, $6,000, and you're getting paid, say, 50%, there's a lot less work involved in promoting a product that pays you, say, $2,000 than a product where you will make $20. You do the numbers and just see how much more promotion you've got to do to make the same sort of money. Now, I hear you say, but who's going to pay that much? When you find people that are willing to pay those sorts of dollars for a product that you're promoting, they're much more serious. You'll get less refunds than a product that may sell for $7 or $27. The refund rates, not always, but a lot of the time tend to be higher. People expect more, they buy a cheap product and they expect much more from it. Whereas somebody that is looking at a product that will cost them, say, $2,000, $3,000 or even $5,000, they've usually done their homework. They've looked around and they know what they want, and they are prepared to pay those sorts of figures. Okay, so what sort of products will pay that? Well, in today's market, what pays high commissions like that is really digital products, training products that are delivered online. And why they can afford to pay those sorts of commissions is their overheads are, so much lower. They create a product once, and a lot of them might be training products on how to start an Amazon business, or how to do Amazon FBA, how to do eBay, how to start an affiliate marketing business, how to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business, how to make $10,000 a month. People are prepared to pay for this information, and information is the key because it's so easy to deliver. The vendor or the product owner does the work once, creates a product, and then it's just delivered online. So his ongoing costs are quite low. And that's why he's prepared to pay you, 40, 50%. Okay, so where do we find these products? Well, here's a couple of websites. One's called ClickBank, and I'm at the marketplace. Another one's called Digistore24, and they're free to sign up. You can go and do that. I'm not going to go. Here's another one I've come across as well, and this is selling an Amazon course, and I believe it pays you a couple of grand commission. Many people want to know how to learn how to do Amazon. This really is the era of people wanting to do work from home, side hustle from home, and so they're prepared to pay it, and not being worried about the security of going to a job that may be here today and gone tomorrow. So let's have a look. Let's go over to Digistore24, and we'll go here to the marketplace just to give you an idea. Now you can, if you have a look down here, down the left hand side, these are different categories. What we'll just do is do a search here without clicking, and you can click on any of these. Maybe something that's of interest to you. Then I would search here. You can search by filter by different things, but what I'll do is sort by earnings per sale just for this. So here, crypto, this one pays 50% commission, so they're paying you about $800 per sale. You promote it, you click on that link, you get your affiliate link, It shows you reviews, etc. Okay, I'm back. So here we go through here. Another one. This is a good course to promote, Freedom Accelerator. It teaches people how to become an affiliate. A couple of things. If you have a look at this, here is the average sale price. It's a 50% commission. So you make around $690 per sale. And one other thing that's worth looking at is the cancellation rate. So out of every 100 people, maybe 13 might cancel. Some of these have very high. This one's 16%. Very high cancellation rates, 18%. So you don't want to put in the work and then find that people are going to refund. A couple of other things. It's got a sales page. It's got an affiliate support page. Important that they give you what you need to promote it. So let's just have a quick look. And it'll give you a lot of statistics, how you can promote it, conversions, cart value. In this case, gives you some email swipes as well. And if we go over here to the marketplace on ClickBank and do exactly the same thing, lots of different categories here. You can go through them, or you can just do a search. You can search individual categories, or you can search like I have here. Again, initial high to low. So it's paying 146. It's not. And you can filter it these other ways as well. A couple of things here I'll explain. Gravity, that's the number of other affiliates that have made at least one sale of this product in the last 30 days. Also, it has a recurring component as well. So they're only paying 137. So what I actually did when I went off camera, then I've actually gone and filtered here in affiliate marketing, because that's a really high search term on the internet, and people are willing to pay for it. So, and I've filtered it by sales high to low. It hasn't actually completely filtered it that way. And affiliate marketing here, $122. John Crestani affiliate system. This one is an auto webinar, which means it's fairly high converting, because it's a webinar that's been recorded once and it's automated. Send people to the webinar and they do the selling for you. That pays $700. Here's another one. I don't know what that is. $1,600. It's pretty low gravity, so it may not convert very well. Free traffic system. You want to look for something with a minimum gravity of 5,300. And as I said, here's another one over here called amazing.com. You go and you drop down, and some of these with ClickBank and Digistore 24, you'll almost automatically get approved. Some of these others you might have to give them a bit more information before they'll allow you to be an affiliate. Now, one of the powerful ways of converting these people is, because not everyone, 1 to 3% of people that go to a website will buy the first time they see that. And if you don't have any way of collecting information about them, the next time they go back could be through someone else's link, and then they'll get paid for it, not you. Or they never come back again. Now, one of the powerful things is collecting emails. Now, here's some free software, because I'm conscious when people want to start with, high ticket affiliate marketing, they don't want to spend much money. So and I'll put a link in the description below. And I'll also give you, if you buy it this is free landing page software. It's fully all-in-one, and you can send automated emails. It collects the emails and will send emails for you automatically. So there'll be a link in the description below. If you click on it and get System.io through that link, I'll give you a free landing page that I've created that you can use for this as well. Now let's have a look at it, because there are many, many different sorts of landing page softwares around, and some of them are pretty expensive. Some of them are limited, and some of them are that complex that you need to be an IT person to be able to use it. Now, they have a free plan here, and it's a free plan for life, and you don't need a credit card to sign up for it. And this is offers the most number of contacts I've seen of any other similar product available. A lot of them offer you free access, but then you've got to go and buy an autoresponder to go on top of it, or they'll charge you $297 a month because you've gone over the contact list. So you've got unlimited, you can send unlimited emails. My previous program I was using, if you got one email over it, they'd bump you up to the next level automatically and charge you. So just have a look through here what it'll do. A lot of this may not make sense to you yet, but I have some other training videos on how to use this software. Link below, and I'll give you a free landing page that you can just bring into your free System.io plan and access it. Very easy to be able to edit it as well for whatever you choose to. All you need to do then is set it up, edit your landing page, go back to the product that you're promoting, get the email swipes, copy and paste them, change them around a little bit. Don't forget to put your unique affiliate link in it and set those emails to go out maybe every day. First one after they put their email address in, there'll be a welcome email that goes out. Then daily, for however long that sequence of emails is there, you can automatically, it'll take a little while to put them in, and then it automatically goes out, say 1 day or 2 days or 36 hours, however you set it up after they've entered their email address. If you run out of emails and you want to know another way that you can create emails, go and use ChatGPT. It's free, and tell it to create some, say, 200-word email for this product or whatever product that is for you, and it'll create emails. So that's another way of creating emails. ChatGPT or some of the AI software that's around can create really, really engaging content for you. So we've covered what is high-ticket affiliate marketing, how to get started in high-ticket affiliate marketing for beginners, this tutorial, where to find high-ticket affiliate products, and the best way to do high-ticket affiliate marketing by using a landing page. And I've shown you software, shown you where to find products. All that's left to do now is to get traffic, and traffic is buyers or prospective buyers. So how are we going to do that? Well, one way is you could start a YouTube channel. Now, you can either make full videos or you can make YouTube shorts, and you don't even need to appear in them. You can use ChatGPT, and you can use some other AI software even that will create videos for you where you don't even need to appear in them, and then you put a link in your description, which would be your affiliate link, which will take them to your landing page, collect their emails. Some will buy as a result of your emails. Another place you could go is Quora. Quora is a question and answer website where people ask questions and you can answer them. You cannot put affiliate links directly in there as you'll be using System.io. That will be fine because you'll be putting the link of your landing page in there. There's other places as well. You could use TikTok. People have made thousands of dollars off TikTok. I've sold $4,000 courses as a result of people visiting my TikTok link. You can look at Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels. They all work. You get hundreds of views to some of them as long as you've got the link to your landing page. Some people will sign up. So that's how I would get started with high-ticket affiliate marketing, especially if you're a beginner. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon for notification and give us a thumbs up. And as I said, the link to get System.io is in the first link in the description below, and I'll send you the sales funnel so that you can get started. See you in the next video.